Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and welcome to Concordium Estates. Experience the future of real estate on Concordium blockchain. Welcome to Concordium Real Estate Marketplace project. This decentralized application leverages the power of decentralized identities on the Concordium blockchain to provide a secure and transparent platform for renting, buying, and selling properties. So as we see currently on the buy property page, we have like two properties listed. One is a house in Denmark, which is listed for 150 CCD, and the other is an Italian house. Before proceeding further, I would quickly like to show you the user flow diagram of the platform. So a user can come to the platform and buy the estate NFTs using CCDs. And the other way is like he can come and if he wants to sell, then he has to deploy the estate collection and mint estate NFTs in that collection. The NFT would represent the houses that he owns. Then he can sell those estate NFTs on our marketplace platform, which is the Concordium Estate, and the auction process is a work in progress. So now a quick demo of the platform. The user can come here and connect his wallet first, and the wallet will set up. And first, the user here can he can mint with ID property. So the minting happens using the identity of that Concordium wallet provides us. So currently we can see that I'm connected to my first identity, which is identity one. I have like 0 balances of tokens. So first I can deploy a new estate collection. So this would trigger a transaction which would ask me for deploying CIS to multi NFT. So I would sign it. So after signing, the estate collection is now deploying as it says here, and it would deploy very fast. And it says contract initialized with index 5276. We can note that here, this is our estate collection in which our estate NFTs would be minted. But in order to mint, it would say it needs a metadata URL, which we can get through IPFS. Binata very easily, just like uploading the file. It doesn't take, for example, let me upload a metadata URL for a house in Hungary. These are just a JSON blob files with a structure like this. Currently I'm uploading and the process is very fast and we get the URL. Yeah, there we have it. We just copy its URL. That should be fine. Just put it in metadata URL. And now if we try to mint, it would say invalid signature, because this is very important step where, because we are minting with ID, so we would need the signature. And when we call the signature, this would prove through the identity that first our country of residence is an European one. So this will prove that our country of residence is one of the following, and the date of birth is so for the user to mint on our marketplace, we assure that he is above 18 years of age. So when we accept, this is calling actually the verifier, which I would like to show you in a second. And yeah, the verifier is running here, which throws the challenge through API/challenge. And now the process is going on. And after it is successful, we see that a signature appears here. And now we can call the mint function. So once we call the mint function, now the minting would take place. And if we see this a little clearly, this is calling the CIS to multi.mint with the address and the signature also. So if we sign and submit now, and let's wait for it to get minted. And we have a successful message that estate NFT just got minted. We can also just confirm it in our wallet. We see the contract state got updated, and this is the transaction hash for it. Now, since we have minted the NFT, now let's try to sell this property. So we just have to note that it was 5275. We can also later check that in wallet. Now, if you want to sell the NFT 5% 5, it's checking the collection ownership, and we see cool emojis here. And let's click on sign and submit. So this would update our address, and this would change our address with the marketplace address. And it's updating the ownership. And then it asks for the token ID, which was like 1 for our case, and then the token price in CCD that we want. So let's have this at CCD 800 and royalty of 5% and add it. So this again a transaction come and we have to sign and submit. So you can see the transaction are occurring very fast on Concordium, and we love it. And after it the contract state has done, then it would get us to the buy property page to show that our new token is listed, and we see the Italian style house that we wanted, no, the Hungary that we wanted just got registered with 800 CCD that we wanted. So the below 3D view is of the Denmark that is being shown, and we aspire to have it for all houses in the future. And the Hungary we see 800. Now since I have I'm the owner of this house, I cannot buy, but other houses I can buy. So let me show you how you can buy. So just click on it. It is for 500 CCD. You can buy for 500 CCD. A transaction will pop up asking you for the transfer. This is the transfer function with from the market. Sign and submit. And we have a very successful message that the purchase got successful. I would just click on OK, and we would see that this the third house that I bought was removed. Okay, now let's take a quick look at the code, how it is built. We have a market UI folder which has the UI for this marketplace. We have like a backend running which has a list of statement that we have for challenge. First, like this checks for if the country of residence of the user is among these countries or not, and there's a date of birth which checks if he is 18 years of age or not. This is the backend is running, which has the verifier code for the ID. Rest is, yeah, the market source code in Rust is here, and this is the NFT CS2 NFT which are we are using, which is we are calling Concord NFT. There's Mint UI, but Market UI already has it. So yeah, this is a little bit nice readme about our application. What our future goals to this project are. We want flexible ownership condition. For example, when the user creates his NFT, he would have the option like the user from these countries would be able to buy. Then we want to have secure buying checks like the ones we have on minting. We also want them to have on the buying checks. For example, this would ensure that the person who is buying the real estate NFT is not fake. He's not a spammer or something. The DApp. Now talking a bit about the key features. So we provide minting and verifications. Users can mint their properties as NFTs on the Concordium blockchain. During the minting process, the owner's identity is verified if he is with using Concordium ID wallet. Secure transactions using CCD tokens, very fast, secure, and transparent transactions are there on the marketplace. We can see all the transaction on our Concordium wallet. Also, if you want to add the tokens, you can very well add them. So it was 5% 5, and you can look for tokens and add them in your wallet. Uh, So it was 5 to send 5, and we see that our Hungarian flat appears, and it has like we can also see the raw data in it, the VHK and all other like the year it was built in like 1997. All the metadata we can view, and if we want to add this token, we can simply click on the checkbox. We can update the tokens, and we see that the token appears in our list of fungible tokens. So they here the others that were there, like a house in New York or Mumbai, they have just got been sold. but this is the quantity is 1, which means that we are the real now owners of it. And yeah, pretty much it. How to get started: just clone the repo, set up the backend verifier using the backend folder, and then we have the UI in this. Set up the common UI, build it, then run the market UI, and you will have our marketplace. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Auction is in work in progress. We are striving hard to put auction feature on this marketplace. Thank you for watching.